So welcome to a new video at St Albans rail freight depot. This is the underpass that's been constructed here. This is why if you're planning to visit relatives at Christmas, this line is going to be closed from Luton Airport down to London. So there's a bus service in place for 9 days from the Saturday before Christmas. This huge underpass is going to be pushed into place here on the railway, and that's going to take a number of days to complete. They'll have to dig out and replace all the lines. So if you're planning on travelling at Christmas, that is why the railway line will be shut. Lots has happened here since we were last here. Gonna have a quick flyover as well, show everything else. We come around the back of the crane. There is a crane here, but it's Sunday and it's off. So just have a quick flight on the one side, see what we can see. See the crane there. Nice and still today. There's quite a lot visible from the train now as you pass on Thameslink. Nice overcast day. Looks a better view of the drone. See all of this land now. There's been areas of trees cut down. Lots of land's been cleared here. Gives you an idea of how big this is actually going to be. Head towards the M25. Oddly, it is going to be built without access onto the motorway. The motorway is in the distance down there. You can see there's further development which we'll walk down, get a bit closer to that and fly over there. But yeah, there's lots has happened here. Just looking onto the other side of the railway here. Just access roads really have been constructed. So once this underpass is in place, you'll see vehicles being able to get to that other side really easily. At the moment, not much happening on this side. See how big this site is going to be. It's going to be absolutely huge. Yeah, if you're travelling at Christmas, you need to make other arrangements because, like I said, there's a train coming. Let's get this train on video. Thameslink. So they're going to use giant rams apparently to push the structure into place. The structure there will replace what's in place to give access under the railway, so people can travel through onto the other side and develop the new depot. So a little bit further down the field now. Just looking towards the industrial area at Radlett there. See, all of this is now being, the trees have been removed. Lots of construction's happening here. It's going to be a massive site once it's finished. The trees have all been cleared here along the railway line. For something so close to the M25 not to have access is really strange.